Hello and welcome to this course entitled Crypto Passive Profits. We are going to start with this first introductory lecture, which is named Introduction to Crypto Wealth. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss about three main methods that we are going to cover in this course about how to generate passive income from cryptocurrency, which is a trend at the moment and it's starting to become widely adopted. So let's move on. Here are the three methods of passive earnings that we are going to discuss about in this course. The first one is staking cryptocurrencies, which means basically that there are platforms where you can deposit your different types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. And because of staking them there, basically you are putting them in a side deposit, and most of the times you don't have access to them for a limited period of time. Basically you will earn an interest on that crypto. Then we have the second method, which is lending. There are platforms like the peer-to-peer lending platforms, where, for example, if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other type of cryptocurrency, you can lend that cryptocurrency and you earn an interest on that. Usually it's somewhere between 10% and goes up to even 25, 30, 40% per year, depending on the cryptocurrency. But the average and the one that you should consider is the, let's say, somewhere between the 10 and 12%, okay? And then we have the third method, which is copy trade platforms. There are a lot of platforms which allow you to copy different traders. These are trading platforms where people trade cryptocurrency, and obviously there are some people there who are professional traders and do this as someone would do a normal job, and they are professional at that, and you can see their results and you can copy them. Okay, so these are the three things we are going to talk about, the three methods that we are going to talk about that allows you to generate passive income from cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next